Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are taking a quick look at Vechain here. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel, so just go ahead and give that like button a tap down below. So as you can see, the trade idea that I did have here is playing out quite nicely. You can see we came down into this key area of support that I did highlight previously. This is an area where when we lost support of this overall sideways market that we were in for a good while. Excuse me. You can see this is where we came down to find support. We obviously started to get stuck under this and continued to the downside here. But once we came back up inside the range, I was trading these bounces until they broke. We obviously got a deviation here, but we got a bounce here. Another good trade. I took another long position here, but we did finally lose this support with a bit of bearish sentiment in the market. You can see here we came down into this area here. We came down into this area, got a few bounces off that level. We came up, back down into the area again, and then now looking like we are finally getting a bit more of a clean break up past that level. If you take a quick look at the RSI as well, you can see just like a lot of cryptos, we came down, got quite oversold in this region, and pretty typically every time this happens for Vechain recently, you can see here and down here as well, we have got these decent bounces off the low on the daily time frame. You can see that was the first instance there, nice bounce. Second instance here, nice bounce. And now we've come down into this area, chopped sideways a little bit with decent, I would say potential bullish divergence here. The price action trying to close. It may have closed a little bit lower here. It's very hard to tell. But basically an even close at the very least. And also you can see this low down here on the RSI clearly making a bullish divergence. We came down here, back tested one more time, and then over the past few days had a little pickup over the weekend. Currently sitting under that previous resistance area here and waiting to see what's going to happen next. I've got this trade in a decent amount of profit right now, so I might just put the stop loss basically just under this candle here, take the profits if we come down. If we continue to the upside, obviously we'll be taking profits at that previous major resistance level of the range low, which is the previous support, and then I'll wait for the next opportunity. But right now, this is looking like a pretty decent trade here. Just basically was quite patient with this one. Took a few weeks to play out in the end, didn't it? But looking like it's going to be a decent trade. And as I said before, my next opportunity I'll be looking to take a short position probably at this previous key level here, because typically speaking, you can see this is a massive amount of previous support. Probably going to be a decent amount of resistance here, unless we do see Bitcoin absolutely ripping up through the levels, in which case we'll probably see Vechain here as well, correlated to Bitcoin. But in my opinion, things looking good right now for Vechain in the short term, just having to bounce off this low yet again. Overall, really, it's just going sideways, waiting for that bull market. Hasn't broken out of any key resistances yet, really. Obviously, we've got this one here, but we still have that overall bear market resistance that's up at around 5 or 6 cents that needs taking care of as well. But right now, just chilling at around 2 cents and waiting for the next move. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.